Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to charge the dead battery from an RE Interceptor. As you can see here, when we press the ignition switch, the bike doesn't start and you can hear the starter clicking and the lights on the instrument cluster flashing. So let us go through the step-by-step procedure of removing the battery from the bike. It is very simple and uses a 5 mm Allen key and a 10 mm spanner. That's all. First up, remove the side panel from the right side using the key. Then remove the toolkit. Remove the seat assembly by pulling the release lock. Using a 10 mm socket or a spanner, unscrew the three M6 hex bolts securing the toolkit holder. You will now notice the battery and the positive terminal. Undo the battery strap by pulling it downwards and releasing the lock from the strap bracket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10 mm socket to unscrew the positive terminal from the battery. Notice this hex socket screw holding the battery strap bracket. Using a 5 mm Allen key, undo the hex socket screw and remove the bracket. Next, on the left side, remove the hex socket screw holding the side panel using a 5 mm Allen key. Remove the panel. Disconnect the 2-pin electrical connector which is connected to the ground terminal of the battery. This helps in liberating some space there. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10 mm socket to unscrew the negative terminal from the battery. And that's all. You can now safely remove the battery from the slot. But before we do that, let's test the voltage across the terminals. It shows 9.74 volt, which is less, and the reason why the bike won't start. So we remove the battery from the bike and take it home for charging. For charging, connect the AC plug to the socket and the alligator clips to the terminals of the battery. It doesn't matter which ones you connect first. The red one goes to the positive terminal and the black to the negative terminal. Ensure that the connectors are secure and they are not loose. You can see the digital display cycling through the voltage, ambient temperature and current while charging. The charge LED also starts blinking. Just leave it be for a few hours. The time taken depends on the ampere hour rating of the battery and the discharge levels. After some time, you'll notice that the display shows full and the charging is completed with a 13.5 volt charge. So stop the AC mains and disconnect the alligator connectors. We now replace the battery pack into the motorcycle, connect the terminals, basically reverse all the steps and fire her up before securing all the screws to test if the bike starts. Don't forget to connect this 2-pin connector if you have removed it in your bike. That is the sweet engine note of the Interceptor. Just reverse all the steps and you're good to go, guys. Trust this was useful. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video.